Hi there! Welcome to Gulf Coast Educators Federal Credit Union. We are so excited to have you as a member. To assist you with all your financial needs, we'll walk you through step by step on how to get your account set up. Step 1. Download the GCEFCU mobile app. This will give you easy access to keep track of your finances while on the go. Our mobile app offers many features such as bill pay, remote deposit for checks, free credit score monitoring, and much more. Step 2. Set up direct deposit. Having your paycheck automatically deposited into your account is not only convenient, but our members have also reported getting their paycheck 2 days sooner than their coworkers. To set up direct deposit, you'll need to contact your employer and give them your new account number and routing number. Step 3. Get your debit card. If you haven't received your debit card, you can contact us to have a card mailed directly to you. Or, if you live near one of our branches, you're welcome to stop by and have one printed instantly. We have many designs to choose from. You can even custom design a card with your own picture. When you receive your card, be sure to add it to your mobile wallet. This will allow you to use your card from your phone to make easy touchless purchases. Our cards can be used with Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay. Step 4. Set up and/or switch over any monthly payments. Switching your bills over to your new account is simple. Using the bill pay system and online banking, you can set up all your bills for easy payment. You can also contact the individual merchant to provide them with your debit card or account number. Step 5. Start reaching your financial goals. As a member owner of the credit union, we are here to get to know you and help you reach your financial goals. Whether you're saving to purchase a new home, thinking of continuing your education, trying to pay off debt, or buy a new car, we are here to help. Give us a call and one of our team members can provide you with a personalized recommendation on how we can best serve you and how you can reach your goal. Now that you are officially a GCEFCU member, your immediate family members can join too. Take advantage of all the great perks that come along with being a credit union member, like low loan rates, fee-free ATMs, great savings account options, discount tickets to local attractions, educator loans and incentives, and much more. Thank you for choosing Gulf Coast Educators Federal Credit Union and trusting us with your finances. If you have any questions about your membership, our team is here to help. We're excited to get to know you and your family as we build lifelong relationships, one member at a time.